I had an iPhone 5C that it wouldn't turn on. Even if you connect it to the charger, nothing shows up on the screen. So I replaced, how you can see, I'm replacing the battery and I put it to charge for a bit. There it is. So if you have that problem that your phone won't turn on, won't turn on, even if you connect it to the charger, it's gonna be your battery. If you didn't get the phone wet, it's gonna be the battery. That's what I did. I replaced the, there it is. Everything is working on it. So if you have that problem, replace your battery and you have your phone working.